Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to give you a tour of my closet. I've been at it all week organizing. I removed a lot of clothing that sometimes doesn't fit you and all that, and I packed them up and I put them in bags for donations. I have them over there lined up in the hallway, and I want to give you a tour of what I did here. I have here on this side, this is all my hubby's clothing, but over there where I'm zooming in, that's my clothing. So I actually use that space and that space, but I wanted to give myself space for all my things. Some of these things are gifts that I get from my friends, family. Some of them are keepsake. See, like my mom and dad's pictures right there. So it's a combination. I have my little collections of shoes and I have perfumes that they've given me. So, a lot of these things are not to get rid of. I know it looks like a lot, but everybody has their thing. Everybody has their collection and things that mean something to them. So this is my area here, my space, and I want to share it with you. So I'm using here 8-piece organizer. It's white, and that's where I place all, a whole bunch of bags and hats. As you can see, I use a lot of caps. So I store them in there. And albums. I have a lot of albums, and they are labeled 1999 to 2000. You see what I'm saying? So I labeled them. And of course, I have my luggage here. This is something I'll use, if I have to travel, it's there. And I have all my pants organized, all the clothing organized. So on top of the white organizer, I am using these two tables. These belong to my mom. And they're not in great shape over here. They are in great shape, but over here, they're kind of discolored. So what I did was I wrapped the legs, all the legs, with wrapping paper. Dollar Tree wrapping paper, but look at how beautiful it is. It made a big difference in wrapping up all the legs. So I made myself another floor up here for the little things like the shoes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give you a tour, don't worry about it. It might look like I'm going too fast, but I just want to give you an overview of what's here. Up there I have all those dolls and stuff like that. Oh, I even have a honeymoon picture over there of my hubby and I, right there. Then on the side of the door here, I have a couple of more things in that corner. So why don't we start maybe up here? I got this piece here at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. A lot of these things I've had for ages. These dolls here, I bought at a yard sale. I bought a whole bunch, like 7 of them. Nice. They were clean. They came with the coffin and everything. And then the shoes. I have a collection of these beautiful shoes with the bags. More dolls. And then I have a poster back there. You'll see them all over. I have them scattered, but I have 7 of these. I do have some Barbies, and you'll see them. But look at those boots and shoes. Look at how beautiful. Every now and then I pull out like 5 of them, and I'll make a video just so that you could see them up close and you won't be so overwhelmed. Look at that beautiful red shoe. Isn't that beautiful? This I got at a yard sale. The perfumes are back there. I'm not too big on perfumes, but They've been given to me and I love the bottles. This piece here I got at a flea market for $15 a long time ago. Shoes, shoes, shoes. Like I said, I will make videos on these pieces, maybe 5 pieces at a time, so that it won't be too overwhelming for you. So this is just a tour, remember that. And look at this beautiful one here. She's in her own sofa there, right next to the clothing. Then down here, I have a horse, jewelry box, more shoes. This one I also got at Hobby Lobby with the other one that I showed you in the beginning of this video. Look at how beautiful that is. And then look at the red dress down there. Isn't that beautiful? That one was a yard sale find. I believe I paid like $3 for that one. These were also from a yard sale. They're all attached. And you can add a candle to each one. This jewelry here, this jewelry box was given to me by my aunt when I was little. I was young, very young. I was about maybe 13 years old. It's beautiful. I still have it. Look at that. You put money in there. This one inspires me to maybe one day work on a Mackenzie Child video creation, but I haven't done that yet. Here are my parents on their 25th anniversary and my mom when she got married. May they rest in peace. I have a clock there. I have another piggy bank. This one's for my granddaughter. I'm always inserting coins in there. Then this big shoe here, it even has a little drawer that comes out. I got this for $1. This is one of my favorite finds. $1 for this beautiful big shoe. More dolls. Look at them. I have a little lamp there that I plan to make a setting with. Then I have more of those shoes for the candles. They're all attached. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Up here, have a clock over there. I know that it seems like a lot. This is up here. These are the big dolls right there. That's artwork that my cousin drew for me. These belong to my mom. These Oriental ladies. Up there, that's like a little piggy bank I got when I was about 5 years old. Still have it. Well, I think that I went over everything here. So I have 1 tier, 2, 3, and 4. By using that organizer and creating this effect here with the tables, I had added space on top, and I used all my relax. Alrighty, well, I think that this will be it. I hope that you've enjoyed the tour, and thank you